welcome back to another video, but not a video with regards to cars or anything even remotely close to that, but we're going to be talking about where I've been and what I've been up to during the time I've been absent, which is the past month and a half. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so over the past month and a half, you might be wondering where the f I have been, and I've had exams. That's not an excuse, and I'm not going to, as much as I love you guys, I really do with all my heart and soul. If I want to keep you guys up and running and improving my video quality and all of that good stuff, I have to study hard, get the marks I want, and meet the standards that I want in order to proceed with you guys, because YouTube's just a hobby to me. I like it, I like cars, and I'm just intertwining them and putting them together. So yes, I've been studying really hard lately. It's not been easy on my brain, my sleep schedule. Basically, with studying, that's all I cared about, and I literally don't have any mental capacity to care about anything else, or anyone else for that matter, as of until tomorrow afternoon. And while I've been studying, I hit a pretty hard low with my mental health. I did crash pretty hard, and that was pretty shit. So having to look after myself and make myself, like, want to last and look for the future, I had to just, do that again, taking away time from you guys. So maintaining a good mental well-being and trying to meet the standards and requirements for the end of year marks, so on, it's not been easy, and as a whole I've had no time for this. But while recording this, my last exam is tomorrow, and I have already planned a review on a very cool classic, and I am excited for that. That is going to happen on July the 2nd, where I'm going to be recording it. The only clue as to what car it's going to be is it's European, it's rear-wheel drive, it's got 2 doors and 4 cylinders, and it's from a brand I'm pretty fond of. I also have 2 new car reveals to do, plus maybe another one, because all I can say is I might buy myself something. I'm trying, and that's in the works. I just don't have any fucking time. But before this gets too long, that's where I've been, and videos will be heading your way pretty shortly. So please subscribe, and I wish you guys well. Bye.